Make her run around again. Make her run around again because I'm recording it. Callie, come here, puppy! Call her again, call her.
Callie! Callie! Callie!
Callie, there's nothing under there.
No. Callie!
She's gonna knock down Julian, watch.
Oh, Jesus!
No, that's the pool. Get away from there.
Oh, Jesus!
You like the snow? You like the snow, Callie?
Mommy, Daddy, yes.
Callie said yes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look at her vajages all dry.
I know, that's gross. Callie, this way.
Callie! No.
Hey, no! Hey!
Hey!
Look at her mouth. Look, you can see her perfectly because, oh gosh.
No.
Dark.
Because she's so dark in the, yeah. Why did you scream? Oh gosh, look at Julian. At least the snow calmed down for a little bit.
Yeah.
It was harder earlier.
Yesterday was super hard.
I know.
She's like, she goes, and the whole, the sun goes, whoo? Callie!
Julian, don't touch that.
Mommy.
Hmm.